Hey guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my mom's channel. So before that, I'd like to wish everyone a very happy Ramadan. Stay home, stay safe. So it has been a long time since I have uploaded any of my DIYs, and so as this is the time of the holy month of Ramadan, I thought of sharing some DIYs related to that. And so I just thought of sharing some room decor. Before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give this video a like, and that's all. So without further delay, just let's get started. So guys, this is how it looks, and it turned out really very good and very classy like the thing. You can just hang it around any of your room and anywhere you just want. You can even add some fairy lights just as I did, and it's looking super pretty. So that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you soon in my very next video. For then, take care and bye bye.